Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix notification not working on iPhone after update iOS 17.4. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply check your do not disturb mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode. If you have enabled the do not disturb mode on your iPhone, then you have to do is simply disable it. To disable it, you have to simply drag down your control center, and from here tap on it do not disturb mode and turn it off. After disabling it, then you have to simply check your silent mode. Make sure that the silent mode on your iPhone side is not turned on. If it is turned on, then turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what we need to do, we have to just simply restart your device. A simple restart can resolve many issues. So open your setting, scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below, tap on shutdown, and shut down your device 20 to 30 seconds, and after that simply check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then check notification setting. So guys, simply go back, tap on notification, and make sure that the notification toggle will be turned on. And after that guys, simply go back, and after this simply tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.